Today we're checking out the Klarus XT11GT Pro V2, a bright tactical flashlight that's ready for action. Let's get into the unboxing. Opening the box, you have the light inside the included holster. Inside the flashlight lies the included lithium-ion 18650 battery. Next you have a Klarus info card. In this separate slim box you have a bag with the lanyard, as well as a USB-C charging cable and user manual. Can't forget that spare O-ring. At 4.3 ounces, this is a lightweight flashlight. It's compact with a 5.5 inch length and a body diameter of 1 inch. The light has a 1 meter drop resistance and an IPX8 waterproof rating, perfect for outdoor use. The XT11GT Pro V2 has a convenient in-body USB-C charge port. The USB-C connection also lets you charge from sources like power banks or laptops. The 18650 battery supports long run times of up to 120 hours on low mode. This light can also be powered with two CR123A batteries for a replaceable power option outdoors or in power outages. Let's get into the brightness. Low mode outputs 10 lumens. Medium mode outputs 200 lumens. High mode outputs 1200 lumens. In turbo mode, outputs 3300 lumens. On turbo, it has a max beam distance of 410 meters. There are also both strobe and SOS modes for emergency situations. Interested in the Klarus XT11GT Pro V2? Check it out now over at BatteryJunction.com. To get the latest in flashlight news, be sure to subscribe to our email newsletter. Consider leaving a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you don't miss a new one. Have any questions about this light? Comment down below and we'll answer them. You can also follow our socials on Facebook, Instagram, and X to get sneak peeks at newly released lights. Links are in the description down below.